Good morning, everybody. Are you guys tired of me saying, hey, I need license plates? Well, I still do. Anyway, I'll throw a list up here, but that's not what this one's about. It's about this little trench I've dug here. There's my dually. What we're doing, you can see I started to bury it. I'm adding a sprinkler line on to the existing lines. This is going to go back and feed that and go over there and feed some trees, because once they cut the big trees down, I need privacy. So I'm going to put in some of those green trees right there, right through there. But they need water. So we're going to tie on to the existing line, which is down in there. Got that dug out. That one feeds up the front there. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this saddle, snap saddle, I think they call it. That's going to go right around that pipe. You're going to primer it, glue it, and then set it right down on there, and it'll snap around that existing pipe, and like so. You got to put them on this way when you do it. If you try this way, you ain't gonna get them. So you get that started, because it'll spread out, and then you can snap them right down on there and they'll stay glued. As you notice, that ain't drilled out yet. So we're going to take a drill bit. Once we get it set, we'll drill that little hole out there. Then we'll take this piece over here. We'll go on, screw into it, and be buried underneath there with the pipe. Then we put the timers on it and everything that we got for the sprinkler system itself, because it's not going to be on we're just getting the water off of it. We're not getting hooking it into the sprinkler ground system thing, just getting that water there. That's what we're doing. And anyway, that's what we're doing right now. It's going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you that saddle thing. That's pretty cool. I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute. 5 seconds to be exact. Well, we primed it with that, put the glue on it with that, and that's what it looks like right there. Now you want to get it straight up and down, because your spout wants to go straight up and down. Now we're just going to let that set up good. It don't take long for that kind of stuff to set up. But I got other things to do, so I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the pipeline. I'm upside down, aren't I? And let that sit. Then we drill out that hole and screw in the pipe. I'll show you that in a minute. Another 5 seconds from now? I doubt it. Well, got the line all buried up to there. And up to here. And I took the drill and the vacuum cleaner. And why did I use the vacuum cleaner? Because when you're drilling that little hole out down in there, you can see the flakes that came up anyway. Well, you don't want them to go in your line. So I just sucked it while I drilled it. Okay, so now we're going to shove the pole down in there, laying over there. Hank, do you want to say anything to the crowd? You're not helping much. That's okay. I think most of the people out there like you anyway, even though you're a lazy boy. So, anyway, we're going to shove that in there. I'm going to let Hank do that. I'm going to take a break. See how he does. Yeah, that's how that's going to go. She's screwed in there, and then I got this brace on the back here. In case somebody runs into it, it won't break it. It'll take a lot of bending to get that bent over and hurt anything. And then it's hose clamped down. Now, I'm not going to put the dirt in there because I want to make sure I don't have a leak, because that'd be a bear cat to have to dig out if it was leaking. So we're going to leave it alone. I don't have water, won't have water for quite a while. When I turn on the water, it comes up to there, then feeds this, and then we'll see if it's got a leak. But we're going to go ahead and finish all this out probably today. My arm is very sore. Still working on it. It'll get there. Let's put a T on that right there, okay? And then I'm going to call it a day. Well, I got the T in, as you can see, as soon as I get out of the light there. T's in. It's going to go that way, and then around this way, and then it'll water the new trees I'm going to plant right there. But we're going to call that the end of this video, because there ain't much more to see. I just wanted to really show you that snapping thing. What I also did is I got a whole bunch of seeds in here. I'll show you them in just a second. And I'm going to plant flowers all the way through here. But leave a driveway right there. I'm going to put some concrete pads there so I can drive the lawnmower in. I think that'll look nice, just dolling the place up. But we're going to leave that empty, as I said, until we make sure, when I turn the water on, make sure it don't leak. Then we'll put on the timers. This is the type of timer I'm using right here. So them are pretty easy to use. I just got to put the batteries in it. Then I'm going to put that on there, and it will turn off and on when I want it to, and it will water all that stuff you just seen. Plus, it's going to come up here and water that also. There'll be some strawberry plants and everything put in there. Me and Charlie built that thing when he was out here in October. Never used it yet, but that's where it will go, with strawberry plants in it to keep it out of the bugs. But that's the little timer we're going to use. I like those, they work great. But let me show you this. Yeah, we ordered this seed. It's all kinds of different flowers, mix of all kinds. You can see the names on there, everything you can think of in there, and it comes back every spring. We've already planted some from last year, but so that's what I'm going to plant in there. Here's my other fittings for the rest of it there when we get going to add some more pipe to it. Anyway, you won't see that because I ain't going to video it, but I want to show you this out here. One more thing and then we're done for today. Yeah, we went shopping today. And that's what I got to do next, is I got to empty the back of the truck, because talk about bed frames. What are we going to build with all these? My goodness. What I'm thinking, this one is even a cot kind of a thing. I might not cut that one up. We got some wood, all these bed frames. But this, I'm going to measure it. And if it fits in that little trailer over there, I may just leave this together. And then when we go somewhere, throw that in there, then somebody could sleep on it, you know. Not me, because I'm going to be in an RV. But anyway, I got to empty all that. And also, that's going to be it for today, for this little short video. I don't know how long it is. It is what it is. Hey, don't forget about them license plates. We're still gathering them at this time. I only need one of each state you see flying around on this screen. So, y'all have a good day. And I'm done. Well, almost. I got to unload that thing. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. It is free.